Fix in 5. Let's decode P0524. Engine oil pressure too low. Stop operation immediately to prevent engi. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Oil pressure warning light illuminated on dashboard. Engine knocking or ticking sounds. Loss of engine power or hesitation. Engine overheating, rough idle, or stalling. Now the most likely causes. Low engine oil level. Defective oil pressure sensor or switch. Faulty oil pump. Clogged oil filter. Worn engine bearings. Here's how a pro pins it down. Top up or change engine oil. Repair oil leaks. Replace faulty oil pressure sensor. Change clogged oil filter. Replace or repair oil pump. Internal engine repair. How to fix it. Add oil to correct level if low. Replace oil pressure sensor if faulty. Replace clogged oil filter. Repair or replace oil pump if defective. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45,125 doing it yourself, or €85,165 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. People also ask, will P0524 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0524 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0524. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.